Welcome to Outlaw Woodworking. This is day 2 of a series of videos building the Outlaw shop. This is a 60 by 34 shop, and this is day 2. Now this whole slab was clean, as you saw on day 1's video when I laid out all the headers and trimmers and sills and cripples. So the whole place is cut right now except for the studs. And we just got this inch of snow this morning before the guys show up, which was kind of a bummer. But they did show up, and the guy with the orange vest on, he's the dad, and he's the actual carpenter that I kind of went over everything with him and showed him how all the pieces work, and he understood it really well, and the guys got started building. And yeah, it was a little wet in the morning as far as the slab because of the snow. He had a kid there that shoveled off some of it, but it stayed wet for a little while, and then the sun came out and kind of made a nice day of it. It actually, the day worked out good. But as I'm editing this video, day 3 is going to be worse though, because we had right when they were quitting at the end of the day, a snowstorm came in. And now as I'm looking out my window right now, there's about 6 inches out there. So I'm not sure how day 3 is going to go, if they're going to do any work or not. Yeah, that was kind of a bummer. Here you can see they've almost got all the pieces for the back wall. And they've got one half of the wall built. So I bring in some plywood, and they wanted to sheet one half of this wall. Although I thought that was going to be a little too heavy, but I told him I would use the excavator to lift it up there, and that's what we ended up doing. This was the whole family, the dad, the son, his son. Yeah, a lot of they were nice guys. Here you can see I was flying the drone, but I had to quit flying the drone because I thought I would fly the drone when I lifted up this wall, but this wall was pretty tricky because it was a little heavy, and it was a little awkward with the excavator because the way we were attaching it to the bucket wasn't a good way to do it, and I ended up changing that. I had to put the drone down and actually change this, and I ended up going and getting some couplers and attaching it to my excavator a lot better. Right here is where I decided that wasn't working, and I had to change my strategy. So I didn't get a filming of the actual lifting of it because I had to go back and get some turnbuckles and stuff and do it right. But I did get it lifted up there good. And the second one, I told him, hey, we need to just do these in smaller sections. That way we don't take any chances. I don't want anybody to get hurt. And right there you can see he's got the third section of the wall, the back wall. And you can see all the window openings up high. Let me know what you think about that. I thought that would be a good idea to let all that light in from that side. Right there you can see the last bit of the back wall going up. They learned their lesson after the first one that not to sheet it because of the weight. And we just put it up by hand actually. They do make boom attachments for the excavator, but I couldn't find one for sale anywhere. I don't know if it's because of the supply chain or what, but I was able to use my TOOLCAT and help them and lift it up onto the bolts, which worked really well. And that's pretty much it for day 2. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I will see you on day 3.